guys, it's Marissa. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well. And I am going to be working on our first mini kit layout or mini kit Monday layout for the month of October. I'm going to be catching up from last week because we didn't do any videos last week. So I'm going to try and catch up. I'll probably put out 3 this week and then 3 the next week, just to catch up for the 2 that I didn't do last week. We had our anniversary week last week, so I figured I'll take a break and spend some time with the family and my husband. So gonna be working on my first layout, and I printed these 2 pictures. Well, I did a selfie, and then this here are from Snapchat, I think this is Snapchat. I'm not really quite sure. Anyway, I printed our pictures using my Canon selfie, and so I'm just gonna take off the excess here, and we are going to be using our marquee stickers as titles for this layout, and we're also going to be using 2 cardstocks and then 2 pattern papers here from the same kit that I showed you, the Fall Blessings from Echo Park, and we will use Give Thanks. So let's start cutting. We are going to use this as the base of the layout. We are going to start cutting everything here. Okay, so let's start with this cardstock here. I'm going to cut this to 4 by 11, or I'm sorry, 4 by 11 and a half. So let's do 4" here, and then cut this by 1/2 inch. Then off of this, I want to cut this to 8 and a half. Let's see, 8 and a half by 9 and a half. Okay, and then we're going to cut this into 6. I'll make it 6 and a half by 9 and a half. Okay, I think we're done with this. It's gonna be a very simple layout. Again, layering. So I'm taking my scissors here, and then I'm going to make a guess what? Dovetail. That's right. So we're gonna do this by, I'm cutting it about 1.25 inches in, trying to see, is that even? It's not even half. No, it's not. It's a little, I know, a little weird. I'm a little weird today. And then I'm gonna cut up to the center from the end here, going up, and then do the same thing on this side. There you go. And then we're going to put this thing together. Let's see. I want to make sure that I have this. From this side, I'm leaving 1 inch. And then maybe 1.5 inches up here. I'm just eyeballing this, guys. It's not, you know, through science, if you will. And then I'm just going to leave it about 1 inch over here. Yeah, that's good. And then we're going to put this on top over there. I think I like that. Okay, let's tack this all down. I'm just layering papers here, guys. So about 1 inch or so, 1.5 inches up there. So there you go. We'll put this down. About 1 inch off of this, 1 inch and 1.5 inches. Maybe 1 inch would be better. And then let's see them pictures. I'll put the pictures here. Yeah, I'm good with that. All right, let's see what's next. Title will be thankful, because I truly am thankful. Okay, let's see how this will lay. My trusty ruler will have to come in, because I want to make sure this is straight. I think I have to pull this up a little higher. You know what, guys? Let me do something here. I am having such a hard time putting this down, this thankful. So I'm gonna put half an inch. I'm gonna cut half an inch off of this cardstock here and use it. You know what? Yeah, use it as my ruler, if you will. Yeah, I can do this. This will work. And I'll do this while I'm at it. There you go. And I'll put that on top. Because why am I giving myself such a hard time, right? I'll just put this at the bottom. There you go. That'll work. Oh no, I cannot cut straight, guys. I chopped my cardstock a bit. Oh well, it's not a big deal. Life goes on. All right, now we can start again. Thankful, because I truly am. All right, guys, it's time to stick our alphabets. Okay, guys, I want to try to put the give thanks here over, I don't know, right here. I was thinking of putting it over here on this end here. Kind of center it there. There you go. Give thanks. Okay, guys, here's our layout. It's very simple, very quick and easy to do. Just simple layering. And this was an afterthought because of, well, you saw me having a hard time putting this down. And this F was, I didn't want to put it on my picture here. I hope you like how it turned out, guys. I truly am thankful, not only for my family and friends, but also for you, my Scrappiness family. Thankful that you're here, that you're supporting my channel. And speaking of supporting my channel, if this is your first time and you like what you see here, please consider subscribing and join our family. And also, if you like this layout, guys, please give me a thumbs up. And to my Scrappiness family, again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. I hope you're all staying well and be keeping safe. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Anyway, guys, our first mini kit Monday layout for the month of October. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.